Peaceful greetings on this day we call Mother's Day in the USA and maybe many places on the earth. Flowers are often given, roses, most accepted. I wonder why it's only one day out of 365 days that we honor thy mother. She is the light and the way that brought you into this earth that you can be listening to me today. I am sharing with you Pacha MaMa. I received a real attunement, and awakening of her within me in the past few days, and I was compelled to share her energies with you. She is an Inca, Amazonic, eldress, like myself, goddess. And she is a representation of Mother Nature. She calls us to embrace her obvious gifts that are all around, even when you live in a concrete jungle city. Through the cracks, sometimes a blade of grass, a sunflower, a weed so-called will appear for you to remember Pachamama is near. Because all of this upon which we live, we walk, we drive, is upon her. Pachamama invites me to walk upon her gently. Find some greenery. Enjoy the flowers of the spring, of which she brings for you to smell and admire the colors of the palette of her powers. She's been around through many seasons and more to come. She's witnessed the changes in the human people of the earth. She has shown me that you have to keep your eyes open to her messages as I share with you a message of my iris bulbs that would have bloomed by now. Their leaves are present, their leaves are strong. but the flowers have not shown their faces. And to me it seems so long, as I have taken notice of the times before through pictures of their beauty. They will appear when they know the coast is clear for there to bring their energies forth. In the next week, it's going to go from 80 something degrees where I am to 60 something. I was looking outside the other day and I saw a couple of plants growing because I live in a wild garden environment of my own allowing, of which Mama Pacha MaMa dwells. And in looking at these signs, they're early, they're indication of when fall is coming in. And this is May, beginning of May. That's like saying, be aware of a cold winter this year. Pay attention to her signs, her messages she gives. Watch the birds. Watch the bees. Honor her. Sit on the ground. Touch the ground. Feel the earth beneath you. Give thanks for her allowing you to be upon her. I saw an image, I think this morning, of a huge turtle that had been hidden in the earth, that was alive. For how long, I don't know. I mean huge, bigger than me. And I'm about 5 foot. And this turtle was long and huge, but the point is, it had about 2 feet of Mother Earth, Pacha MaMa, on its back with grass growing on top of the 2 feet of earth. It protected the essence of this creation while it rested in the earth till it was time to appear. Pay attention. Thank you for coming to the Goddess Temple Palace. Again, honor the mother within yourself. Honor her every day. And she will show you the way. Home. I am Queen, great grandmother Getting closer, closer to the First Mother, keeper of the Goddess Temple Palace. I am Opulence, Ra Inta. If this has touched you, share it, comment, like, or dislike if that is the way. But let me know how you feel about what I had to say. I'll be back soon. Until then, Pacha MaMa, be with me. Let me feel your energy. Throw no more my trash on me. I will honor and respect thee.